port. Yeah, we want to take a trip.
Take a trip. You know, that's actually a really good idea.
Really?
We can take one today.
Go, let's go. Yes! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Let's go.
Oh, no. It's right here. Hey everyone, that's right. This year we are bringing the beach to us. In this video, I will be cleaning and decorating our front porch and our entryway in a nautical and coastal theme with items from Dollar Tree and other items that were on sale. So if this is something that interests you, grab your Mai Tai with the cute little umbrella because you are in for a treat. I don't know about you, but for us, it has been a year and a half since we have seen anywhere outside of our state. And even though we are itching to do some sightseeing, it still may be a little longer before we actually do so. So I wanted to create a theme that made us feel like we had the beach right in our backyard. So for now, I am sweeping the porch area and I will later clean the windows and switch out what remains of our spring decor for summer decor. Have you already decorated for the summer? Please put a sun in the comments if you have, and if you haven't, let me know that as well. I did want to point out, if you saw me taking down some of the spring decorations a few videos back, that I am not an outdoorsy person, and I'm very afraid of flying insects. So I have to say, cleaning this patio was something I tried to do very quickly. Funny thing is, I actually wanted to sweep the cobwebs and things from the top of the porch, but when I looked up there, I was too scared of what was up there, so I didn't get that done this time. To keep myself distracted, I was listening to Selena on my headphones. Her music can always motivate me to move. I was trying to use as little products as possible, so I used a mop to clean the windows instead of getting up on a ladder this time, and I cleaned the windows with Dawn Power Wash. On this channel, I typically post cleaning motivation, organization, and occasional home decor videos, and try to make cleaning be enjoyable. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. I wanted to keep things simple, so I took this table runner that was on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond for $12 and shaped it to look like a wreath to give a tropical feel. I got this welcome sign from Hobby Lobby for like $13 a couple of weeks ago, and this rug was only $10 from At Home. The lantern is something I already owned. The bamboo sticks are from Dollar Tree and the plant is from Home Goods. The blue flowers that I put in the plant are from Dollar Tree. Last, this lantern is from Bed Bath & Beyond and is solar powered, so it lights up at night. If you have watched many of my other decor videos, you would know I love lighted decor. Make sure to check the description box for all mentioned items. let me know in the comments if you are an outdoorsy person or if you're kind of like me and prefer the indoors. I brought this palm tree from a different area to bring in the tropical feel, and the anchor came from at home. The beach chair was on sale from Hobby Lobby, and the rest of the decor here was from Dollar Tree. This cream lighthouse was on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and the rest of the items were from Dollar Tree, with the exception of the vase with the potpourri. The vase is plastic and is from at home. I later DIY'd the vase on top of this stand to bring in more of the coastal feel. Make sure to stay tuned to my channel and subscribe if you haven't already, because I will be continuing my decor and cleaning throughout my home. I have many DIY projects that you may really like, so please make sure that you don't miss it. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the bloopers. Bye bye. Go.
Mommy!
We're bored.
I know.
Y'all,
Damn!
you want to take a trip? You know what? That's actually a really good idea. Why don't we take one today?
Yay! No! Yay!